It's like 11:15, as you can see back there. I got a full night's rest because, well, points, and because I needed it. I was invited to a birthday party last night, but I decided against it. So this morning I'm making breakfast. I'm going to make 2 fried eggs. And then I'm going to use some of that rotisserie chicken from dinner last night. I was thinking about something weird. Coconut oil is solid, kind of like lard and bacon fat and stuff. So I'm wondering if that kind of fat is the good kind of fat versus like the vegetable oil. Maybe I'm wrong. It's possible. Anyway, today's heavy lifters. I'm gonna make this breakfast, eat it, and I'll show you, of course. And then I'm gonna go to edit the 2 videos from last night, or for the past 2 days, because last night I was way too tired to edit. And then I'm going to do Heavy Lifters Club, yay! This is today's Heavy Lifters vlog. Private club, so let's see how it goes. Yeah, that says BW, as in body weight. We'll see. Let's see what I looked before. Hi guys. Obviously I came home and took a shower after the gym. We did what I showed you earlier, and it was brutal. But I did it, and I finished it. So that's good. So now it's time for lunch. I'm having roasted pork. It's just plain roasted pork. A couple slices of tomato, and that looks like bread, but it's not bread. It's paleo bread from the out of the box bakery. So that's lunch. Okay, so I wanted something sweet, so I'm actually gonna have another slice of that bread with almond butter. So this is actually what's in the bread, and that's where it's from, out of the box bakery. But that's what's in the bread. And this is the almond butter I have. Here's the almond bread with almond butter because I wanted something sweet. So snack, maybe dessert-ish type stuff. Look, yay, paleo potluck.
Hey, what about me?
And I'm eating a shepherd's pie and the green papaya salad I made. And there's vegetable things. We're gonna go tour all the other food and people.
I'll take your seat. Story behind that.
Say hello to the vlog.
Hello.
Vlog. That's the shepherd's pie. And that's the rotisserie chicken. The chili's almost gone. I think I should try some of that. Cucumber salad, meatball. There was meatballs in there. And green papaya salad. Oh, and water. Although there is a tempting bottle of wine somewhere. Alright, see you guys later.
And free awesome sauce.
Yeah!
Hidden from you, so you can
Tonight was awesome. I went to the paleo potluck, as you saw, and we really had a good time. Everyone enjoyed themselves, it seemed like, or at least tried to enjoy themselves, and got really motivated about what to make for the paleo challenge that's coming up. Tomorrow we have check-in, so that's going to be really exciting. I hope my team's there. Team Paleogasm. That's our official name as of tonight. And then I actually went to a friend's birthday party. And then, yeah, so now it's midnight and I'm tired, but I'm happy I got all the rest I got last night. I'm hoping to get that much rest tonight. So, good night, guys.